quite right. Basses fading, treble screaming, my amp wasn't a pretty sight. Every dial's in disarray, my knobs have been turned a bit. Someone's been a little curious, all my settings have gone to shit. I can handle the fortune, I can handle the fame, but you've only got one job. Don't go messing with my knob. Keep your hands off my knob. It's exactly where I like it. Twist them once, you break the magic. Then it's me who has to fix it. Oh, keep your hands off my knob. You hear every word I say. You can cheer and scream all day. Just leave my controls to me. Sound check dragged a little longer. Nothing sounded quite the same. Someone thought they'd make it better. Now I'm stuck to take the blame. Volume's jumping all around. Gain's been pushed beyond the red. Whoever thought they knew my rig should have kept their hands in check. Treat it gently, show respect. It's taken years to get it right. You don't go around adjusting my knob. If you do, I'll punch you in the gob. Keep your hands off my knob. They're not there for your amusement. Every twist and every turn leaves me fixing your confusion.